Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize and seal my hair. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. In one of my previous videos, I actually did a avocado, egg, and banana hair mask, and I was telling you guys that this mask usually makes your hair a little stiff and kind of takes out the moisture. So this is why I'm actually doing a moisturize and seal video, because I need to add back some moisture to my hair, and I'll also be relaxing my hair in a couple of days. So I want to make sure that my hair is not dry and brittle for that relaxer. First, I'm going to go ahead to section off my hair just to make things a bit simpler, and also to make sure that all my hair gets a touch. Right, we don't want to miss any spots. I'm going to be using the ORS hair moisturizer, some castor oil, and some coconut oil. So the whole point of using all these three products is that you're using like a liquid base moisturizer, and then you're going in with the oils to kind of like lock in that liquid base moisturizer. So you're using the moisturizer to moisturize your hair, and then you're sealing it with the oil, which would be the castor oil and the coconut oil. Because if you only went in with the liquid base moisturizer, that could easily evaporate from your hair, and there'd be no point of moisturizing your hair anyway. So this is why we seal it with the oils. You can use other moisturizers and other oils to actually moisturize and seal your hair. This is just what I have available. This is what I usually use, so I'm just working with this for now. So what I do is put some of the moisturizer in my hair first, make sure that it's covered from root to end, and then I go in with the coconut oil and the castor oil to just put over that. So I put both of them in at the same time. That's the castor oil and the coconut oil. I just put both of them in my hand, rub it up, and then put it in my hair at the same time. Once I'm done that, I go ahead and twist it out. If I should just twist my hair and leave it, it's gonna loose back out. So this is why I put the rubber bands at the ends. So I'm pretty much just gonna repeat this process until all my hair is done. I'm gonna be playing some nice chill music for you guys. My boyfriend made this beat for me, and I really love it, so I hope you enjoy it too. So once I'm done moisturizing and sealing my hair, I just wrap it up and tuck it away at least for a few days. And this video here is actually after I've relaxed my hair. So I didn't do anything to my hair after moisturizing and sealing it before the relaxer. That makes sense? So I went straight into the relaxer a couple of days after moisturizing and sealing my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. I definitely think the moisturizing and sealing did help. My hair feels very soft and manageable, especially after the relaxer is done. It's supposed to do that anyway. That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment down below to let me know if it was helpful for you. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.